So on the USD index, as you can see, price is in a very bearish momentum that has been ongoing for a very long time. Since January, price has been in a bearish momentum, and price is just about to reach this daily point of interest. So when the market opens, I'm anticipating a very small bearish push. Check out this liquidity maybe, then mitigate into this daily point of interest. So this was an order block previously on the daily time frame, but because other order blocks and structures before it were taken out, so we no longer consider this an order block, but it's not a point of interest or price of interest. So once price reaches this point, you can take out this liquidity on this low, and this liquidity, I'll be anticipating a bullish push. Maybe price will not change direction, but we will definitely get even a small bearish push to this zone, then a bullish push up until this inducement. So if this happens up, if it means the USD is going down, so all the pairs that are trading against the dollar will also be going down. So if we look at the USD index, we're anticipating a short continuation to this extreme point of interest, right? And after that, we'll be looking for bullish move, and this on the H4 time frame. So now if we go to the USD JPY on H4 time frame, you can see we have a similar thing on the USD index is on the USD JPY. We're anticipating a small bearish push, then a bullish push after that. So as I was saying, on the USD index, we're anticipating a small bearish move, then a bullish push from this point of interest on the daily time frame. Same thing on the USD JPY. We're looking for a small bearish push up until this daily time frame demand zone. Then after that, I'll be anticipating a bullish reaction from this point. So this is for the H4 time frame. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price is currently in a bearish market. And because you're looking for a bearish continuation on the H4 from this point here going to this point, make this visible on the H1 as well. So I'm looking for something like this. Price will go down, then continue a bullish push. So now if we go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price is already in a bearish momentum because it's creating a series of breakout structures in the bearish side. So here you can see price created breakout structure, and currently price inside an internal range, which is not yet completed because price didn't take out any adjustment yet. So our main dealing range is from this zone here up until this zone, and price is more likely to continue with the bearish momentum as I'm anticipating on the H4 time frame. Then after that, we can start looking for bullish moves. So on the H1, we may see price doing something like a bearish continuation, then create a breakout structure here. Then after that, price may continue going up, then create a change of character, then start a bullish momentum. And we can also use price action by using this trend line that's being currently formed, and then you can take an entry based on the break and retest here. You don't have to wait for a change of character. So you can also use this as your entry confluence and enter the trade based on this. But on the USD JPY H4, I'm looking for a bearish push, a small bearish push, and the H1 as well. I'm looking for a small bearish push. So now going to the 5 minutes time frame. So the 5 minute time frame, I'll be sharing it throughout the week, because if you check on the calendars, when the market opens, there's not much news. On Monday, there's no news at all. Then on Tuesday, we only have one impact news event. So you can see that we only have one news event on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, we started the news. So tomorrow, because of the Easter holiday, the markets are likely going to be silent like they were on Friday because of the holidays. So I'll be sharing 5 minute setups on Tuesday, maybe when the market starts creating something. But for now, if you look against that price, it's just choppy. There's nothing like ongoing here. So it's not wise to be trading in this situation because you need volatility and more volume to trade. So I'll not look at the 5 minutes time frame. I'll just look at the H1 and H4 time frame. So for USD JPY, yeah, this is it. I'm expecting a small bearish push, then a bullish continuation from this daily time frame point of interest, which is right here. Now going to the Euro US dollar, you can see that price was in a bullish momentum since this was the last structure point created, which is a change of character. And after that, price did not create any other structure. So our dealing range currently is from this lower high to this point here, which is not a high because adjustment is not yet taken out. So what I'm anticipating to say here, because the USD index is about to start gaining strength after mitigating the daily time frame, it means all the pairs that are against the dollar will start losing. So it means we might see a price going to this previous weekly high, because we didn't get any daily time frame point of interest. So price may continue a small bullish push to this previous weekly high, then maybe come back to this imbalance and this adjustment. So as you can see that on the USD index, I'm expecting a bearish push, then a bullish move. On all the pairs that are against the dollar, I'm expecting the opposite, which is a bullish push, then a bearish push. So what I have on the H1 time frame. Now going to the AUD USD, let's start on the H4 time frame. I'm anticipating the same thing on the Euro US dollar as on the AUD USD, because all these pairs are against the dollar, and if the dollar is gaining strength, it means all these pairs will start selling. So currently, as you can see, last week price took out the previous monthly high, which is this one, and after the previous month high taken out, price is failing to create any record structure here. It's just doing some liquidity grabs, right? As you can see, price just doing some liquidity grabs. It's not closing with a full body candle close. So what I'm anticipating is price is going to start selling from this point of interest, which is something like a head and shoulder for those who trade price action. So price might continue a small bullish push, then continue bearish from here based on the USD index analysis, because USD index is supposed to go down then up. So AUD USD is going to go up then down because of their correlation. And if we look on the H1 time frame, you can see a similar thing happening. Price is currently in a bullish momentum, and I'm specifically looking for these 2 points of interest to get mitigated. Then I'll start looking for interest on the 5-minute time frame. So as price is currently in a bullish momentum, we would be looking for this point of interest only to look for buy entries. But because of the previous monthly high, which is taken out, that's a very high liquidity. So I'm also anticipating price to continue selling from this point. So if price comes for this point of interest first before selling, I'll be looking to take shorts from this point of interest on the 5-minute time frame, and the target will be this point of interest on the selling side, right? So if I take the entry on the 5-minute time frame, the risk reward will increase, of course, because I have like refined confirmations. So yeah, basically this is it on the AUD USD, Euro USD, and USD JPY. As for the lower time frame analysis and entry analysis, I'll be showing them maybe on Tuesday when the markets are normal again. But yeah, so far this is it. I'll leave this time for questions.